Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Balance by Hina Gentle Yoga Seated class. Today we will be working on your spine, shoulders, hip joints along with twisting. This class is suitable for those who would like to sit and practice spine and hip mobility like our seniors or new moms or somebody who had a long office hours. You will be needing a hand towel or a blanket for this. Even if you're using a sofa or a chair today for practice, you can always fold something and sit on it. Make yourself comfortable, have that length in the spine. Okay, so let's get started. Our first exercise is a seated camel and cat. Slowly taking the chest back and then in front of the sits bones. So this is a good way to mobilize your spine. Let's do 8 more of these. We go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, last 2 and 1 last. Excellent. Next are your chest circles by keeping your pelvis as the base. I'm using my knees to control the movement as I go forward and back. So I'm drawing circles only on one side at a time. Let's do 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, last 2 and 1 last. Good job. Let's change side. This exercise focuses on your back from all sides. If you had a long sitting or a standing day, the back tends to absorb a lot of stress. This is a good way to start to open up that back and get rid of that back tension. Very good guys, almost there. And relax. Moving on, let's start with the head tilt. Keep your shoulders relaxed as you do this move. You really want to feel that nice stretch in the side of your neck. Very good. Now from here, we will slowly start looking towards the right and then left. Just looking side to side. 2 more. Very good. Now we are going to go for a head circle. Now notice I'm not taking the head backward. I'm just trying to go side, down and then coming back to the other side. If you don't have cervical and you're comfortable taking your head backward, please do so. Now let's move on to the shoulders. Place your hands on the shoulders and try to make the elbows meet as you make a circle. So it might happen that your elbows are not touching, but that's okay. That's what we want to achieve, but not force it. Let's go 5 more. 4, 3, 2 and 1 last. Excellent. Let's reverse it. Most of the time we get neck pain due to stressed shoulders. This is a very quick and effective way to release that stress immediately. Moving on to your hip joints. Slowly remove any support you were taking and then sit in a 90-90 position or a mermaid position. Somewhat like this. Just hold this posture and breathe. Now slowly, let's do the same on the other side. Let's go back and other side. So we are going to do 4 more of these. This posture really works on internal and external rotation of your hip joints. Very good. And relax. Let's bring back your support. Now slowly extend both your legs in front of you. And then you're going to bend one foot so that you come into a seated tree pose. Extend your arms up and exhale, reach forward towards the toe. So we are doing a nice hamstring stretch as we go forward. Let's go for 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and let's hold on the last one and stay there. Very good. Let's change side. Again, going into your seated tree pose. Arms up and reach forward. Good. Let's go for 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, just 2 more, and one last. Good. Let's again take the arms up and reach forward and hold. And slowly relax. Let's move on and join the soles of the feet together to come into a seated butterfly pose. Let's start with our butterflies in this posture. You're going to focus on your groin area and also your spine. You don't want to slouch. You want to keep your spine straight and chest coming out a little bit. Keep going. Now from here, place the hands on the knees, push the knees down as you shift the body weight forward. Place the hands in front, try to keep the knees at the same place and see if your elbows can touch the ground. You don't want to slouch, keep your spine straight. Your elbows may or may not touch the ground. So it's totally fine if they are not touching, just keep your spine straight and knees pushing down towards the ground. Very good. Next up is again for your pelvis griddle. Place the hands behind you and then slowly take both knees to one side and then to other. So this time we are keeping the upper body stable and we are just moving the knees side to side. Good. One last time. And we're gonna hold. Now remove that underneath support and you are going to sit in a mermaid position or your 90-90. Okay, you want to keep both the knees 90-degree angle and fold forward into a modified pigeon pose. Let's just hold and breathe there. Slowly coming back and change side. And slowly coming back and get back your hand towel or support. Now take your right hand and hold your left knee and pull your left knee towards the right side so that your upper body goes into a twist. Make sure you're not putting weight on the back hand. You're sitting on your sits bones and rotating. Let's change side. And slowly release. Now extend both legs in front of you and bend one knee. Now hug this knee from the opposite hand and then rotate or twist. Again, sitting on your sits bones, you're not transferring the weight on the back hand. That hand is only helping you to twist. Very good. Let's do the same on the other side. It is the same twist, just a different variation. And relax. Excellent job, guys. Thank you for practicing with me today. If you're new on the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next part of Gentle Yoga series. Till then, take care. Have a good day. Bye bye. Namaste.